Welcome back guys. Another night, another workout na naman tayo. Tonight, papakita ko kayo ng solid chest workout. I'm sure magugustuhan nyo din itong workout. Kaya simulan na natin. Start tayo sa dumbbell press. Do this for 12 reps. After this, tuloy lang natin yung dalawang next workout. Kaya sundan natin ang dumbbell chest fly for 12 reps din ito. Tips lang guys, when you do this 3 workout in 1 set, make sure na kaya nyo yung weight. Saka na kayo mag-add kapag sanay na kayo. And for our last workout is close grip chest press. Do this also for 12 reps. This workout, do this for 3 sets for inclined, flat, and declined bench position. Solid na solid yan sa chest guys. Then, nag-add lang tayo dito ng low dumbbell fly for 12 reps, 3 sets. For triceps naman, nag-overhead extension tayo, 12 reps, 3 sets din. And last, for our workout ay nag-triceps kickback naman tayo, 12 reps, 3 sets. Kaya kung nagustuhan mo ang workout natin ngayon, pa-like and follow. Yun lang, bye.